Okay, we're going to talk about the spot removal brush. We've talked about it in class a little bit, but I want to show you some other ways to use it on more complex things like power lines and things like that you'll find in your image sometimes. So we're not going to worry about any of the other tabs. The color looks fine, the crop looks fine. We're just going to worry about getting rid of these power lines and the transformer or tower right back there. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and grab my spot removal brush. And as far as feather, maybe a little bit of feather. So I'm doing this guy right here just so it blends in. Size is going to be relatively small. You want it, a little bit of sky on both sides of that line. So let me show you a little trick here. So if I click right here, it's automatically going to give me a green circle for the patch. But I'm just going to go ahead and press the Shift key, and I'm going to go right to the end of that line and click. And notice that that will draw a straight line from that patch or that circle to this circle, and then it will give me a patch. Now, the way I like to use this is I like to turn off the overlay just so I can look at the image that I'm working on. I'm going to increase the brush size a little bit, right bracket. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to press the Shift key and click here. And notice I got a little flaw right there. That's okay. I can turn on Show Overlay, and then I can just move this overlay maybe up in here somewhere. And then turn off Overlay. Go over that one by just scrubbing over it. I'm going to click here and then Shift click down here in the clouds. That gave me a good patch. Click here. Okay. That one, not so good. So I'm going to go back and adjust that a little bit. Maybe bring it over to here. That's going to mess up the sky a little bit. So that looks better. Come here, click, Shift click, and I'm just going to scrub over that. Scrub over that. Click, Shift click, click, Shift click. Okay. Come in the clouds, click, Shift click. Okay, that patch was not good. Over to this side, I think. That's much better. Turn off the Show Overlay and just scroll right on that one. Now I got a couple of spots there, no big deal. I can go over those again. You can go over things multiple times to get a better patch or to sort of double up on the patch. So the sky looks, for the most part, pretty good. Now what I want to do is go ahead and get a bigger brush and make sure that I go over the transformer and get all of that in there. Okay, and that did an awesome job. Okay, so that looks pretty darn good. So once you have it fixed up like that, go ahead and save it in that Mini Project 2 folder.